Hi Jamaica, this is Craig Powe, COVID survivor, and I want to let you guys know, since I've gotten COVID, I no longer get the morning wood. Since I was 10 years old, my penis would become erect in the morning every day since then, and since I've gotten COVID, that has stopped happening. Since the second time, I no longer get that, for the past 3 weeks, which is very concerning to me, of course. And I also, don't last as long. So I am definitely suffering from erectile dysfunction at 25 years old, and it was never a problem before. And I want to share this with you guys because, even though it's deeply private and a personal thing, I thought it'd be better, because I want people to get the vaccine so they know the real consequences of this COVID thing. I was talking to someone, and he said to me he doesn't want to take the vaccine because he's afraid of fertility. And I said, look, listen here, if you get COVID, you can die and you definitely won't have any children. Or you can be like me and your body don't stand up. And, that way you're not getting children either. So COVID can take away your ability to enjoy certain stuff, and it has taken away my ability to perform as a man, which is really rough. So despite everything else, I could have died, all that, but right now that's not working. So I'm looking to all men and to women to get the message out that this thing is real, and Dr. Tufton was right. And this is a big consequence as Jamaican. We don't want this to happen to us. So please get the vaccine. Please, I beg you.